First off, telling us about this growing concern about lithium-ion coin ingestion. These are batteries. What are they most commonly found in, and what's happening?
So thank you for having me. And lithium coin batteries are small, about the size of a nickel, and as you mentioned, are found in many common household items such as remote controls, key fobs, bathroom scales. And young children, when you have them at home, you know they are naturally curious by nature, and part of how they explore the world is often putting things in their mouth. And this can be especially dangerous when it comes to lithium coin batteries because they are approximately the size of a child's esophagus, and if accidentally swallowed can cause serious damage to the surrounding tissue in as little as 2 hours. So Duracell has created a Power Safely checklist to serve as a tool for pediatricians like me to help share with families. And this checklist includes tips to educate parents and caregivers on all the potential hidden dangers in their homes, and also how to make their home a little safer. And you can download this at Duracell.com.
Well, let's talk a little bit more about the checklist itself. Is this specifically about batteries, about those coin cell batteries? Are there any other batteries that are causing some concerns? And what other things will this checklist advise us on?
So I recommend that parents really get down at their child's level, and the checklist talks about this, to go down and explore your house like your young child would and look for any potential hidden dangers. But in addition, today we're specifically talking about these lithium coin batteries because they are small and they can cause such serious damage so quickly if accidentally ingested. So you really want to identify such items in your home. Make sure you keep them high out of your child's reach. Make sure you secure the batteries so they can't fall out. And when you are looking to purchase batteries, choose ones with child secure coating like these Duracell 20mm lithium coin batteries, and most importantly, they have a severely bitter coating to help discourage swallowing in case a young child were to pick one up and put it in their mouth. And this is really important.
Never can exercise too much caution around our kids. Always want to keep them safe. Great tips there, Doc. One more time, where can we go to find the checklist?
So to find the Power Safely checklist, go to Duracell.com. And as always, talk to your own pediatrician if you have any questions or concerns about your child.